Baby mongoose squeaky scoiatolo bites my shoe.
And there's a little ant running past. You can see everything attracts the attention of the Cynictis Penicillata, the yellow mongoose. They have incredible hearing and, of course, incredible senses of smell. I have been around Squeaky since their birth, so they are very familiar with me, and as you can see, they are just checking what kind of an object I am, and that's another reason why I will never come out here wearing sandals, because that would have been incredibly painful to be bitten like that now, because I'm just an object. That's it.